Hello my dear students, you must be waiting for my new video. So here I am with the video for you, and that is based on the lesson 2 of your English book, that is A Light for the Palace Fire. I think you found it very interesting. It is really an interesting story. So should we start with it? First I am going to discuss glossary with you. Means you have to tell the meanings, and we'll be framing the sentences using these words. Okay? So the first word is quarreling. What is its meaning? Its meaning is fighting. Suman is quarreling with Rita. The meanings are same, but here in the sentences you can change the words. Okay? You can make some changes in the sentences which I have framed here. Okay? Number 2, longed for. It means wished for. The king longed for more wealth. See the picture? Interesting picture. Number 3, embers. Its meaning is burning coal. The king ordered the messengers to bring embers. Okay, see the picture of embers. Number 4, lantern. A lamp with a handle to carry it around. Its sentence you can make, the old man is holding an iron lantern. Number 5, glowed. It means shone softly. In the picture you can see here, the coals glowed in the fireplace. Number 6, palace folk. People who live in palace. And I have made a sentence, the palace folk enjoyed festival celebration. And the words for which you are making the sentences, please underline these words in your notebook. Okay? Now comprehension part. A part. Read the sentences and answer the questions. So what are the sentences? Go down the hill road. If you see fire burning in a house, go inside and ask for some embers to bring back to the palace. Now 3 questions are based on these sentences. What are these questions? Number 1, who said these words to whom? Number 2, who made the speaker say these words? Number 3, what did the listener do next? Now the first question, who said these words to whom? The answer is, the king said these words to the messenger. Now, second question, what made the speaker say these words? Its answer is, the king said these words because the palace fire had gone out and no one was able to light it again. Number 3, what did the listener do next? Answer is, the listener set off into the cold night after these instructions. He took an iron lantern to keep the coal and called out, a light for the palace fire, as he walked. Now, second part of the sentences are, they realized that this was because selfless love had come with the coal from the little girl's cottage. So the question is, who are they in above lines? They are the palace folks who lived and worked in palace. Now second question, what does selfless love refer to? Selfless love refers to love and kindness shown by little girl who gave the coal for the palace without asking for something in return. Such a nice girl. Now third question, who had showed selfless love and how? Selfless love had been showed by the little girl when she saw the messenger at her doorstep. She not only agreed to give him the coal while asking for nothing in return, but also invited the messenger to eat and warm himself before setting off in the bitter cold night. Wow, really a very kind girl, very nice girl. Now, we come to next part, B part of comprehension. Few questions are given to you. First, where was the palace? How was it kept warm? Second, what reasons did the people give for the fire dying out? Third, what did the little girl say and do when the messenger knocked on her door? Number 4, why did the messenger think that the coal would not burn all the way back to the palace? What happened instead? So let us see the answers. Number 1, where was the palace? How was it kept warm? The answer is the palace was on the top of the hill. It was kept warm by a huge fire that always kept burning. Now, second question. What reasons did the people give for the fire dying out? Some people said that the fire had died out because people were always quarreling. Others said that the fire died out because the winter was very cold. Now, third question. What did the little girl say and do when the messenger knocked on her door? The girl told the messenger that he could have as much coal as he wanted, but first he should come in and warm himself and have some porridge. Do you like porridge, students? It's very yummy and very healthy also. So try to have it in morning breakfast also. Okay? Now, number 4 question. Why did the messenger think that the coal would not burn all the way back to the palace? What happened instead? The messenger thought that the coal would not burn as last 2 times. When he had taken the coal, it turned as grey ash. However, this time the coal grew brighter and brighter with every step. Now, D part, play with words. Dear children, you have to circle the odd word in each set. Means in first there are 4 options A, B, C, D. You have to find out the odd one. Okay? So should we start? There are 4 sets of words. First, in first, hot is the odd one. Why? These are all related to each other. Cold, freezing, chilled. Only hot is just opposite of these 3. Second, kind, friendly, mean, helpful. These are good qualities. Kind, friendly, helpful. Only mean, it's not a good quality. Okay? Number 3, hide, search, hunt, seek. So which is the odd one out? Hide, search, hunt and seek. These 3 are almost similar in their meaning. Number 4, blaze, flame, gloom, glow. The answer is C part, gloom. This is the odd one word. Okay? By blaze, flame, glow, these are all related to each other. Almost similar meaning of each other. Now, match the words that go together. This is the last question in this video, students. You have to match the words which go together. Like bitter, there are few words: bitter, burning, little, dark, twinkling. You have to match these words. So first is bitter. So it will match with cold. Bitter, cold. Just now I use these words in the sentences also. In answer, question, answer. You remember that? So bitter, cold. Okay. Now next word, burning. It matches with, yes, tell me. Burning matches with burning fire. See the picture. The fire is burning. Now next is third one, little. Little is matched with this girl. See the girl. Little girl. Now next is dark. Dark matches with night. See the picture. Dark night. And fifth one is twinkling. Twinkling matches with stars. So beautiful. Stars are twinkling in the sky. Now, C for common noun and P for proper nouns. You have to choose, students. So below here you see these words. 9 words are given to you. You have to tell, you have to think and tell which is common noun and which is proper noun. London. London is proper noun. Then Republic Day, again it's a proper noun. Third, priest, it's a common noun. any priest. Now Mr. Themi, it's a proper noun. Then garden, it can be any garden, so it is a common noun. September, it's a proper noun. Number 7, Gurudwara, it can be any Gurudwara, so it is a common noun. Number 8, Bharat Hospital, it is a proper noun. Number 9, National Museum, it's a proper noun. Friends, I want to tell you one more thing. See in these words, you can see the proper nouns always, it starts with capital alphabet, capital letters. See here, London, Republic, L, R. Again here, Mr. M. The name always starts with capital. These are proper nouns. See here, garden, it's a common noun. It is starting with just small letters. September, months of the year, days of the week. These are all proper nouns. Bharat Hospital, C, B, H, capital. National Museum, N, M, capital. This is proper noun. Okay? So I hope you learned this lesson very well. So see you later. Love you so much. Study and enjoy yourself. And do leave a comment. Okay? I would really like to read your comments. How did you like my videos? Okay? Take care.